Morning truckers, Uncle Albert here to tell you about another product. This is a general purpose hard surface cleaner and it's called Halo. That product I've been sort of selling on and off in different formats since 1985. Halo is an excellent general purpose cleaner. Halo is actually used where you don't need to sanitize but you need to deep clean. So I'm never going to assume that this will kill the COVID or any other viruses or bacteria, but it will clean and deep clean. So this product, it comes in a very high concentrate level. That's the concentrate product that you'd buy, or we could supply it in what we call a ready to use product, which is that product, but you'll notice there's no product in there because we don't want to sell you water. We'd rather you make your own product. Because it's such a high concentrate formula, what we've done is actually taken the ready to use formula bottle and we've put markings on it. And then what we've done on the actual instructions, it'll say 100 and then fill with water is for light general cleaning, 200 is for heavy duty cleaning, 300 degreasing, 400 ml is for pre-spotting and stain removal. That's not just on hard surfaces, but you can also use it on fabrics and carpets and things like that as well, on your seats, on any fabric. Just be careful though, you have to test that first before you do it. So there are 4 different strengths that you can make up the concentrate to whatever you want. So we've made it easy, and what you do, it's got a flip top on it, the concentrate has, and what you do, you actually physically pour it into the bottle until you reach the level that you want. In this case, you'll do it to 100 ml. Okay. Put the flop back on there. Then we get water. Again, if you want some of this water, a bottle, you can have one with a flip top. It just says getting water everywhere. But you can also use one of these. There we go. Now this product is a little bit foamy. So what you need to do is fill it up. If you go over the top, it'll foam over the bottle just like that. But stop there. Now as you can see, the product is a lot lighter. But it's now ready to use as a general cleaner. So what I do, clean the bubbles off the top, drop the trigger in, and then you have 500 ml of ready to use Halo general cleaner. We've got a car mat out the old Rover, and we're going to clean that. Because what I want to demonstrate to you is the fact that, again, just like the sanitizing kit, it is actually a 2-stage cleaning process. We're going to get rid of the dirt with stage 1, and then with stage 2, we're going to redress the area and bring it back to its former glory. One note, don't use one clean on foot pedals and bicycle seats or motorbike seats. You'll end up on your... Shake the mat off, general. Now the foam ad that comes with this one clean creates like a foamy effect. And as you can see, you just spray it onto the surface. So what I'm going to do with a relatively clean cloth is just give it a wipe. And that's what we get. So
put it all over. Getting right into the nooks and crannies. You can use a detailing brush on that if you want to get right in, but you don't need to on this. It's not that bad.
A lot of lads in the excavation game, where it's general dirt and from under your feet and things like that, is better. Where you don't want to waste the sanitizer product.
So you can just wipe it in. So you're wiping it into the surface. In the whole area.
And that's the result. So it gets all the dirt out, okay, and it brings the dirt onto the cloth. So great product, Halo. So that's stage 1. Then we want to go to stage 2. We want to actually redress the surface. Stage 2. This is applying now One Clean. So we know One Clean, great for in and out of the vehicle. Use on all hard surfaces. Don't use this on fabric, you'll be in big trouble. So what we need to do is just give it a little bit of a spray. Now these triggers provide a lot more product in one squirt, so it's for economy. You don't need to use as much product. So get the product, get the cloth, give it a little wipe. The fragrance, very nice. And we're just going to give it a little bit of a tittle up. Did I say tittle? A little bit of a tittle up there.
Just going to rub it in. So there's just a little bit of protection, but not too much to make it slippy or anything like that. Just give it a good wipe.
And it is also cleaning still. As you can see, it's still doing a little bit of cleaning. We could have gone a lot deeper with the other product, Halo, but just to give you a demonstration. Then what I do is give it a final buff over with a clean part, and that is the result. That's not bad. So, Halo, concentrate, ready to use, and then One Clean after. That's it. That's enough from me for today. Thank you for watching. Go to DIOMYX.com where you can see, you can buy the products and see the other videos. That's it. DIOMYX.com. Uncle Albert says, stay safe.